In this video lecture, we will be seeing PLSQL function. Function is similar to procedure. The only difference is function returns a value. Like in procedure, you can write here create or replace a function. So create or replace followed by function name, followed by parameters, and that is followed by a return clause where you have to specify the type of return parameter. Return parameter is compulsory. If you are having a standalone function, then you have to use as. If it is nested, then you can go for is keyword. This is a basic syntax for function. Parameters can be in, out, or in, out. You have to return a value and you have to mention type of a return value in a return clause. In parameter is a value that goes to a function. It is mostly read only. Out is a value that goes out of a function. It's like a return. In, out means both. It can come in and go out also. Return will return a value from a function. Let's create a table first. So I'm writing create table student, name as varchar, so a table is created. Let's insert some data in it. So insert student values, so one row is created. Let me create two more rows here. So now I have three records. Let's check the records. So I'm writing select star from student. So these are the records that I have. Now we'll write a function which will manipulate these records. I can also write procedure similar way, but now we are trying to write a function. Let's write a function. Writing function is similar to writing a procedure. Only difference is the keyword, function and procedure. Another difference is function returns a value whereas procedure don't. So I'm writing create or replace function, name of the function, and then like procedure I can pass parameters. So I'm passing search name, some name, and varchar2 type of parameter, and then because it returns value I have to give a return data type also. So I'm writing return varchar2 as. Here I need a string to hold the value, so I am writing surname varchar2 size 20. So let's begin. So I'm trying to fetch some records from database. So select surname into the surname variable that you have created from student the table that we have already created, where name equal to search name, the parameter that will be passed, return surname. So let's end this. So now the function is created. Let's call the function. So I'm writing a simple procedure for that. Declare. So I need to have a placeholder for the return value, envar_2 size 20, begin. So surname equal to function, and I'm passing a parameter that is value for name. dbms output dot put line, and I'm giving surname. So let's display the value that we get, end the block, and see what output we get. So the output is Kolvankar, that is for name Chandan, the output is Kolvankar.